Hi friends, I am Dr. Abhay Talati from Skin Space Clinic, Mumbai. Today I am going to demonstrate dilution which we use for intradermal injections of botulinum toxin, popularly known as mesobotox. So friends, what we do is that we usually hyperdilute the botulinum toxin for intradermal usage. As you all know, intradermal botulinum toxin is used for majorly the firming of the skin or reducing the open pores, tightening of the neck skin. So here is the material. Now what we do is that we use a standard dilution first to reconstitute the botulinum toxin vial, which was demonstrated by Dr. Sandeep Arora in the previous video. So this is a 50 unit vial of Botox which is diluted with 1.25 ml of normal saline. If you are using 100 units, then you would use 2.5 ml of normal saline. We have a freshly opened sterile normal saline bottle for hyperdilution. You can either use a standard insulin syringe. Using insulin syringe is much more convenient in day-to-day practice because we are going to use the same syringe to inject the botulinum toxin. But if you want to be sure that the mixing is correct, then you can still choose this assembly of 2 ml syringe, a BD syringe and a 3-way. For all practical purposes, I have been personally using insulin syringe for the last 11 years. I will be easily showing you the hyperdilution with this syringe, and also I can talk about mixing the saline with Botox with the assembly as well. So let's get started. There are multiple dilutions which are being described in the literature, right from 2 times the hyperdilution to 10 times hyperdilution. For all practical purposes, I have been personally using 3 times hyperdilution so as to minimize the spread of the toxin, so as to prevent the complications as well as to have reproducibility of the results. So I'll be showing that to you. For the dilution purpose, I'm taking 5 units, which is 5 lines of insulin syringe from the reconstituted vial of Botox. So I'm taking 5 units up to the 5 lines, as you can see here in this syringe. And then further I am diluting with the normal saline 3 times, as I told you. So up to 1, 10, 15 and till 20 units. So a little bit more, I think. Yeah, 1 unit more. Yeah. So this is a ready botulinum toxin for intradermal injection on mesobotox. Now just to make sure that your mixing is right, you just pull the plunger a little bit down and try and mix the botulinum toxin as I am doing it here. So 1-2 times if you do it, then almost perfect mixing is happening. So this is ready to use. So remove the air bubbles before using. Last one more time, and then so don't waste any toxin because it's very precious. So this is ready to use botulinum toxin hyperdiluted 1:3 times for mesobotox injections. Now typically for 20 units which are shown here, I would usually use about 40 to 60 pricks to finish this whole thing. So technically about 3 pricks in 1 unit are injected, intradermally raising the blebs, which we are going to discuss in the presentation. Now someone wants to ensure that the mixing is perfect, then you can still use a 2 ml syringe so as to take 3 times the amount of normal saline in this, and you take the botulinum toxin in the tuberculin syringe, the number of units required as you have decided previously. You connect these 2 syringes with the 3-way, and just as you all know how to use a 3-way with locking system, you can easily mix these 2, and that's your ready mesobotox for injections. Thank you.